Today's video titled, Understanding AI, Advantages, Disadvantages, and How It's Changing the World? Introduction. Hello and welcome to our video about artificial intelligence, commonly known as AI. AI is a rapidly growing field that has the potential to change the world as we know it. In this video, we'll discuss what AI is, its advantages and disadvantages, and how it's changing the world. What is AI? AI is a branch of computer science that focuses on creating intelligent machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and language translation. AI technology can be divided into two categories: narrow or weak AI and general or strong AI. Narrow AI is designed to perform specific tasks, while general AI is designed to perform any intellectual task that a human can do. Advantages of AI. AI technology has several advantages, including 1. Efficiency. AI can perform tasks faster and more accurately than humans, making it a valuable tool in industries such as manufacturing, transportation, and healthcare. 2. Cost savings. By automating tasks, AI can reduce labor costs, increase productivity, and improve efficiency. 3. Improved decision-making. AI can analyze vast amounts of data and provide insights that can help improve decision-making in various industries. 4. Personalization. AI can personalize products and services to meet the specific needs of individual customers. 5. 24/7 availability. AI systems can work around the clock, providing uninterrupted service to customers. Disadvantages of AI. Along with its advantages, AI also has some disadvantages, including 1. Job losses. AI can automate many tasks that were previously done by humans, potentially leading to job losses in certain industries. 2. Reliance on technology. As we become more reliant on AI, we risk losing certain skills and abilities that are essential to our well-being. 3. Security risks. AI can be vulnerable to cyber attacks, making it a potential security risk for businesses and governments. 4. Lack of human emotion. AI lacks human emotions such as empathy and compassion, making it challenging to use in industries that require a human touch, such as healthcare and social services. How AI is changing the world. AI is already changing the world in various ways, including 1. Healthcare. AI is being used to develop new treatments and improve patient care. 2. Transportation. AI is being used to improve safety and efficiency in transportation, with the development of self-driving cars and trucks. 3. Manufacturing. AI is being used to automate manufacturing processes, leading to increased efficiency and cost savings. 4. Education. AI is being used to personalize education and improve student learning outcomes. AI is a powerful technology with the potential to change the world as we know it. It has several advantages, including efficiency, cost savings, and improved decision-making, but also has disadvantages such as job losses, security risks, and lack of human emotion. Despite its drawbacks, AI is already changing the world and will continue to do so in the future. Thank you for watching. Hey there! Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on any of our upcoming content.